Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ClickUp to Google Calendar step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to ClickUp's website. Log into your ClickUp account with your credentials. Once logged in, go to your workspace dashboard. Look for the left sidebar and click on your profile icon at the bottom. In the profile menu, select Integrations. Scroll down to find Google Calendar within the Integrations list. Click on the Connect button next to Google Calendar. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and click Next. You may need to authorize ClickUp to access your Google Calendar. Review the permissions and click Allow to continue. Once permissions are granted, you'll be redirected back to ClickUp. You should now see a confirmation that Google Calendar is successfully linked. Choose the specific calendar you want to sync with ClickUp. Set your sync preferences according to your needs. You can opt to sync tasks and other relevant ClickUp items to your Google Calendar. Once your preferences are set, click Save to finalize the integration. Your ClickUp tasks will now appear on your Google Calendar according to your settings. To verify the integration, check your Google Calendar for recent ClickUp tasks. You have successfully connected ClickUp to Google Calendar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.